What's up, guys? Shelby here again, and today we have a box. Yes, box day is the best day. Let's see what we got. Should be exciting. We'll see. Haven't had one of these for a long time, and it's really gonna basically full commit onto where this car is going. All right. Go real light. Cut anything wrong. What do you guys think it is? It's like Christmas lately, huh? Oh my gosh. You guys ready for this? This is the sickest knife, by the way. Check this out. It's got a little American flag on it. Probably can't see it. Pretty cool. All right, ready? This is gonna be sick. Look at that. Nicely packed in there. Let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Now me, I'm about 5'11", and I'm like a 28 or 30-inch waist. So finding something for me is a little bit more difficult than the masses. And we'll kind of see how this one fits, how it feels. Hopefully everything fits just nicely. Almost cut my finger on that one. All right, so here we are, very light, and let's go ahead and try sitting on this thing. I guess I can use this for now. Pretty soft. So this is the Sparco Evo S, and yeah. I haven't had race seats forever. Feels good. I'm super thin, so having, you can't really see, but I still got room, barely, on the sides, so it's not bad. Let's see. Probably gonna want to sit it up just a touch. I'll have to look up seating positions and brackets. And so I got the seat. I'm still waiting on the bracket mounts, which will adapt to the stock sliders. So we'll see how that goes with the stock mounts. And then I got a GT2 seat belt buckle, a 997 GT2 seat buckle, I believe. Because it's a little bit longer, so that I can use the OEM seatbelt for now until I get the full setup for the bar, harnesses, and all the safe stuff. But it's very comfy, super light, and it's not getting out in and out is going to be the hardest part probably, because you're probably not used to. I'm not used to getting up over this part, and I'll take this off so you can kind of see the fitment. But yeah, it's not too bad. So my shoulders aren't like pushed in at all, but it's there. I could probably even go a little bit smaller, which is crazy. But yeah, this is the Evo S, which is the smallest sized bucket seat that Sparco has that fits my car. And yeah, it should be sweet. All right, let's see from the side. You can kind of see the side profile. Not quite sure. I know probably most seating positions will be more upright than anything. but we'll check and see. And we'll see if I end up doing a quick release hub or whatnot, but yeah, it's in, so I guess we'll have to wait for the brackets, but maybe this will just be a little preview to the install, get you guys jazzed on one more step in the process for the car. Definitely one of the things I'm most excited about, however dumb it sounds, but seeing the race seats through the front windshield when the car's parked is sick. And I did one to begin with. I wanted to see the sizing and fitment in the car, and then eventually I may do matching passenger and sell the stock seats just to have a match, but we'll see kind of how that goes. Getting the necessary things done, doing the sump, deep sump tank, an oil baffle as well, so that I don't do any oil starvation on flat out corners under heavy acceleration. So that's a common problem on the 987, but yeah, pretty much fall asleep in this thing. Stay tuned for the install. That's just a short little preview, so hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe, like, comment, share, and thank you so much for watching as we get this car to where I want it.